What is up, Cash Catalyst family? Today is the day we quit our 9-to-5 job, and in the fast-paced world of the internet, speed is king. Every second counts when it comes to keeping visitors engaged and happy. In fact, studies show that even a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a significant drop in conversions and user satisfaction. People expect instant results, and if your website lags, they won't hesitate to click away. That's why choosing the right web host is more important than ever, especially as we head into 2025, where online competition is only getting fiercer. Think of a slow website like a store with a long line at the checkout. No matter how great your products are, customers will just go somewhere else if they have to wait. In today's digital world, patience is in short supply. Slow load times can hurt your reputation, lower your search engine rankings, and ultimately cost you sales and loyal visitors. That's why speed isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for anyone serious about their online presence. That's where Hostinger blows the competition out of the water. Hostinger has invested heavily in cutting-edge technology, from advanced caching to optimized servers, all designed to deliver the fastest possible experience for your visitors. When you choose Hostinger, you're not just getting a place to park your website, you're getting a performance powerhouse that gives you a real edge over the competition. We're talking lightning-fast loading times that can make the difference between gaining a new customer or losing them to a competitor. How fast, you ask? Hostinger's infrastructure is built for speed, ensuring your site loads in the blink of an eye, whether your visitors are on desktop or mobile. Independent tests consistently rank Hostinger among the fastest web hosting providers in the world. In many cases, Hostinger loads pages twice as fast as some of the most popular competitors. This isn't just marketing hype, real-world data backs it up. Faster websites mean happier visitors, better SEO rankings, and more conversions for your business or project. But it's not just about speed. Hostinger is also incredibly easy to use, even if you've never built a website before. Their intuitive dashboard, one-click installs, and helpful support make getting started a breeze. Plus, Hostinger offers some of the most affordable plans on the market, so you don't have to break the bank to get top-tier performance. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or launching your first online store, Hostinger makes it simple and budget-friendly. Ready to see how easy and fast it is? Let me show you how Hostinger works, and why it's the smart choice for anyone looking to build a successful website in 2025 and beyond. Your domain name is your online address. It's what people type into their browser to find you, like yourAwesomeWebsite.com. Choosing the right domain name is important, but don't stress. Hostinger makes it easy. Just type in your desired name, and they'll tell you if it's available. Pro tip: keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your website's content. Here's a bonus. Hostinger often runs special promotions where you can snag a free domain name when you sign up for a hosting plan. That's right, free. We'll talk more about plans in a bit. Think of your hosting plan like renting space for your website on the internet. Hostinger offers different plans to fit every need and budget. For beginners, the shared hosting plans are perfect. They're super affordable and offer plenty of features to get your website up and running. If you need more power and flexibility, Hostinger also offers cloud hosting and VPS hosting plans. But for most people just starting out, shared hosting is the way to go. It's like getting the keys to your very own online apartment. This is where the magic happens. Imagine being able to launch a professional-looking website without any of the usual headaches or technical hurdles. That's exactly what Hostinger's AI setup wizard brings to the table. Whether you're a total beginner or just want to save time, this tool is designed to make the process as smooth and effortless as possible. Hostinger's AI setup wizard is honestly like having your own personal web developer, but available 24/7 and ready to work at lightning speed. Instead of spending hours or even days figuring out how to get started, you're guided step by step through a super intuitive process. The wizard asks you a few simple questions about your website, like what it's about, what kind of business or project you're running, and what features you need. Maybe you want a blog, an online store, or a portfolio. Just answer these prompts and the AI takes care of the rest. In just a few minutes, it builds the basic framework for you, so you don't have to start from scratch or worry about missing anything important. You don't need any coding knowledge or design skills at all. There's no need to mess with complicated settings, drag and drop elements, or try to figure out what looks good. The AI handles all the technical details so you can focus on your ideas and your content. the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. While you sit back and watch, it automatically generates layouts, fills in sections, and even suggests content based on your answers. It's like having a team of designers and developers working behind the scenes, but without the cost or the wait. It's really like having a website built for you while you just sip your coffee. You can literally watch your site come to life in real time with no stress and no confusion. It's perfect for anyone who wants to get online fast, whether you're launching a new business, starting a blog, or showcasing your creative work. But don't worry, you're still in control. The AI gives you a solid foundation, but you can tweak and personalize every detail to match your vision, change colors, swap out images, update text, and adjust layouts, all with just a few clicks. You can easily customize everything later on. Want to add new pages, update your branding, or fine-tune your site's features? The Hostinger Builder makes it simple so your website can grow and evolve as your needs change. The AI just gives you a fantastic head start, saving you hours of work and letting you focus on what matters most, sharing your ideas with the world. With Hostinger's AI setup wizard, building a website is no longer a daunting task. It's quick, easy, and actually kind of fun. Okay, your website is built, but now it's time to make it look amazing. This is where Hostinger's free templates come in. They have a huge library of professionally designed templates for every kind of website you can imagine. Want a sleek and modern look for your business website? They've got you covered. How about a fun and colorful design for your blog? No problem. Just browse the templates, pick the one you love, and customize it with your own images, text, and colors. It's as easy as that. Congratulations, you've officially launched your website into the world. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now comes the fun part: adding your content, promoting your website, and sharing your creation with the world. Hostinger has tons of helpful resources and tutorials to guide you through every step of managing and growing your website. They've even got 24/7 customer support if you ever have any questions. You're never alone on this journey. So, what are you waiting for? Remember, the sign-up is free, and I have the link in the description below. Take the leap and turn your website dreams into reality. Ready to get started? I've got something special for you. Right now, you can claim a free website starter kit, which includes a free domain name for the first year, a special discount on Hostinger's hosting plans, and my personal favorite website template to give you a head start. Just click the link below to claim your free starter kit and start building your dream website today. Trust me, building a website has never been easier or more affordable. Let's do this.